Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
It's another episode of On Our BS,
which is brought to you by our non-sponsor.
Yeah, so what are we drinking tonight?
What we're going to be doing is we'll select a wine. Of course, if we ever do in the future get sponsored, we will absolutely tell you that. But we're picking wines.
Yes.
We're not, we try to tend to stay, we'd love to start trying like $100 bottles of wine and this and that. But for right now, we're trying to budget.
We stick to, we're regular people. We stick to.
Yeah, 12, 15, 9, 7 if you're at BJ's.
But if we fancy, we doing some 1999 wines,
Yeah, so this one.
What is the most expensive wine you've ever had? Like, purchased for yourself?
A bottle, or are we talking about?
A bottle. I think when I was single, it was like $29.99, and I felt like
Seriously?
a baller. Yeah.
I mean, if you're gonna count like the champagnes, then it would have to be like the. Moet or something like that.
Yeah.
But like,
true.
I'll
You've
treat
done
myself.
That, yeah.
Like if it's New Year's, I'll go and treat myself.
So
to
Dan
something
every
like
year buys himself a bottle.
A bottle or something like that.
I'm not. Like, not saying like, I stop him from that tradition. He does it, and like, he always like picks. He has one in particular that he always gets.
Rosé Moet. I always go for that.
Well, how do you really say that, Moet?
So I saw this debate. Somebody can correct me on this, but I saw someone correcting them and like how we've been saying Moet. And like how somebody would think
like,
you're supposed to say Moet.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to say
it's
Moet.
It's
supposed to be Moet.
Exactly. Yeah. So I think
so
it's like I want to say like, oh, it's wrong, but I'm like, no. I think
like we're actually right in that one,
right.
But it's one of those things that you kind of think you're saying wrong. So it's kind of like the whole Target argument.
Filet mignon.
Filet.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this one is called 1,000 Stories. I'll try to get that into the... So that's the 1,000 Stories. This one is aged in a bourbon barrel, and this is a Zinfandel we're doing.
And we love wines that have been aged in
bourbon barrels. So far, we haven't gone wrong with that. We have another one of this one, I think is a cab.
From that brand?
Yeah, the 1,000 Stories.
Okay.
I got this at Publix. That's down here in Florida. That's like their local supermarket. That's like really running things down here.
Based out of Lakeland.
Something like that. But anyway, cheers to that. Cheers to On My BS. So pour. I love the drinking sound this thing makes before you pour. So.
Cheers.
Alright, so we're going to be super late to the whole party.
You're supposed to drink. That's not good luck.
But you still end up drinking.
Yeah, but no, you're supposed to, if we cheers, we're supposed to be ding, 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 drinking at the same time. That's how it works.
I don't know about that. So.
Again, peace, love, and happiness.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time.